let's talk about sagittal plane alignment at work. All right, standing desk. I'm working on tall, being strong, getting my alignment going while I'm doing my computer work. But what I'm also doing, I'm on my LIV plate, L-I-V plate. What it's doing is it's strengthening my bones and it's strengthening my muscles. So my patients stand on the LIV plate after their adjustments to set their adjustments. So after I've loosened up the spine and the joints and the knees, we've rebooted their nervous system, we get them on the LIV plate in anatomical neutral. Tall, strong, lengthening the spine for 10 minutes. But guess what? I don't have 10 minutes to stand in front of the mirror on the LIV plate today and to do my posture correction exercises. I do have 10 minutes of soap notes I got to get done. So I just brought the LIV plate over here. Short foot, tall, strong posture, shoulders back and down while I'm working on my notes. So you can get your workouts in too. And if you have weak bones, osteoporosis, osteopenia, check out low intensity vibration. That's what this is designed for. But if you just want to have tall, strong posture, stack it like I do with your rest of your work. I'm Dr. Donald DeFabio. That's how you get strong bones, strong muscles, and good, healthy posture. Have a great day. If you have any questions, like, subscribe, call me.